Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the regional cuisine of Sindh. Food plays a very crucial role in in representing the identity of Sindhi culture. Sindhi food is considered to be usually influenced by Asian culinary traditions. Certainly, it has the strains of or the influence of the Mughal cuisine. Sindhi food is characterized by the deep frying and stunning variety of green vegetables. The Sindhi staple, Sayabaji, for instance, is a mix of the lentils at least the three types of greens like palak, methi, uh, dal, and sometimes uh, Katta palak. A Sindhi biryani, palla, Sayabaji, and sayal machi are also very commonly known Sindhi dishes. Palla fish is a popular Sindhi delicacy cooked in the numerous ways. One method, according to the Kausar, is to marinate the fish in a dry spice, rub and fresh ginger and garlic and pan fry. It is up to the skin and it is very crispy. The other is to prepare it with the flavorful gravy and is served alongside the cumin rice, green chutney, and cucumber salad. Here is the representation of pala fish. Then we have the katakat originating from the Pakistani city of Karachi. Katakat is the traditional dish made with the combination of different parts of meat, typically offal, such as kidneys, brain, testicles, heart, liver, and lungs. The meat is combined with the various spices such as coriander, ginger, mint, chilies, garam masala, along with the tomatoes, garlic, masala, and onions. It is then cooked on the griddle and served with the paratha and roti bread on the side. Here you will find the typical dish after prepared, the katakat. Then we have Sindhi curry. It is the native to the cuisine of the Sindhi people, particularly from the rural areas of the Sindh. And Sindhi curry is commonly found throughout the Pakistan and India. Unlike other curry varieties, next to the common elements of besan, like the gram flour, different vegetables and a variety of spices such as mustard, turmeric, and Sindhi staple adds tomatoes and tamarind water to the base of the dish. The choice of vegetables depends on the taste, preference, availability, but often includes potatoes, okra, carrots, or green beans. This flavor packed tomato curry is typically accompanied by the rice and served garnished with the fresh coriander. Here you will find the final shape of Sindhi curry. And then we have the Sindhi biryani. It is one of the most popular Pakistani dishes, originated from the province of Sindh, and hence the name. It is prepared with the huge variety of ingredients that include the basmati rice, tomatoes, yogurt, potatoes, onions, prawns, spices that also include the red chili powder, ginger, cardamom, turmeric, cloves, cumin, cinnamon, coriander, mint, and bay leaves. And either chicken, goat, or lamb meat is added to convert it into the different shapes of biryani. This layered rice dish is usually served with the raita and salad on the side. Here is the reflection of typical Sindhi biryani. And then we have a dish called Sayabaji. It is specialty of Sindhi cuisine that combines the greens, vegetables, dal or split pulses and spices, and it is usually served with the rice and bread. The name of the dish is made up of two words, sai, which translates to the green, and bhaji means the vegetables. So it is usually made up of green vegetables. So here you will find the typical dish of Sayabaji.